Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. In this video, let us talk about part 3. We are starting with part 3, and this is all about life safety code, which is NFPA 101. In this module, we'll talk about means of egress, which is the first subtopic under module number 9. This is your professor, Dr. A.P. Zantua. I am an electrical engineer. I am a civil engineer. I am an industrial engineer. I am a mechanical engineer. I am an instrumentation engineer. I am an alumni of Polytechnic University, Japan. Graduate as BSME as Japan Government Scholar. Let us take a look and start with the objective of the code. This code objective is to minimize danger to life from fire, and that involves smoke, heat, and toxic gases. Mission continuity and property protection are also somewhat related, but take note, the main purpose is minimization of danger to life in both new construction and existing building. So, part 3, means of egress. We are starting this module, and we are going to deal with elements of means of egress. What do we mean by that? So let us go to the elements of means of egress, wherein there are 4 subtopics. As I've said, we will start with the first subtopic, means of egress, general characteristic and principles. So let's start. What do we mean by means of egress? It is a continuous and unobstructed route of exit from one point in a building to a public way. Public way meaning you are now outside of the building. So that is the exterior of the building. So usually the building is a private property. It is a property owned by private individuals. Usually public way meaning those are common for common use of the community. Okay, so meaning you are now in the public area, and therefore you are now away or at a distance away from the building, from the inside of the building. So meaning to say, if we are talking of means of egress, the keyword here is continuous and unobstructed. So the path from inside of the building where you are in, occupying a certain location, certain place, going out of the building continuously and unobstructed, that is what we call means of egress. Okay. So again, there are certain terminologies that we need to understand. Exit. What do we mean by exit? So let us first talk about exit access. Okay. So what do we mean by exit access? Okay. It is the portion of means of egress, okay, that leads from an occupied portion of the building. So the space that you are occupying, okay, to an exit, going to the exit. Usually the exit is a door. Okay, so going to that from what you are staying, from where you are staying up to the point of the exit, that is the exit access. Okay. Okay, and this could mean what? Corridors, hallways, open staircase, or an aisle within an assembly occupancy. So from occupied space where you are in to going to the exit, that distance is your exit access. Okay, and another is exit. What is an exit? It is the portion of the means of egress. It is part of the means of egress. So there are parts of means of egress. Okay, so this is the next part. The first part is exit access. So this is the second one, exit. So it is the portion between exit access and exit discharge, and is protected throughout by a fire-resistant construction and required active systems by the code. This could mean what? Exit doors, exit stairwell, or exit ramp, or exit passageway. So as you can see in this picture, this is exit door. Okay, an exit is meaning exit door. It is a door. It could be stairwell, could be ramp. It is an opening of a building going outside, right? Or specifically going to exit discharge, right? So therefore, there are three main components of means of egress. Means of egress includes exit access, exit, and exit discharge. Okay? So the door is the exit. So exit access is going to that door. And exit discharge is from that exit going out to the public way. Okay? So as you can see in the picture, from the exit door going to the public area, that is, they are walking along the exit discharge. Okay? So the place where these three people are walking, as shown in your screen, they are walking along the exit discharge. Okay? So therefore, the portion of the means of egress between the termination of the exit, okay, termination of the door, to the open public way, which means any one of the following: exit doors, open alley, open area of public use, and free from any obstruction and safety hazard. Okay? Exit discharge because, as you can see, there is no fence. Okay? There is no high-level fence that would become an obstruction for this three person to get away from fire in case there are fire incidents. Okay? So there is none. There is no fence that will obstruct them. So this is now what we call exit discharge. If there is a fence, high